The Honor X7b 5G. The 5G version of the Honor X7b is here, and in this video we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And if you want, you can also support me by joining the channel membership to get some additional perks. So here on the front side we got an image of the device. Showing the back of it, we got the Honor X7b 5G branding. It comes with 256GB storage, 8GB RAM. It is a dual SIM smartphone. This is a special review unit, so it is not for sale. And as you can see, we got the picture of the same color variant of Honor X7b 5G on top of the box as well. It comes with TUV Rhineland low blue light certification. That is a software based solution. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Honor X7b 5G in green. Here we got the SIM card tray ejector pin, a silicon TPU case for the back panel, a 35-watt Honor supercharged charger, and here is the USB Type-C cable. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Honor X7b 5G, the smartphone, USB Type-C cable, the case for the back panel, 35-watt charger, and a SIM card tray ejector pin. There are no warranty cards, safety information guide, user manual, etc. provided, but you will get them in your retail box for sure. So here is our Honor X7b 5G. Before we start, as you can expect, the 5G version of the Honor X7b is very much similar as well as very much different compared to the 4G version of X7b. There are some upgrades as well as some downgrades, and I will make a separate video where I will compare these two smartphones in depth, that what are the differences, which one you should buy based on your preference and necessities. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. So let's switch on the device and then we will have a look on our Honor X7b 5G. So thanks to Honor, the setup is already done and we are good to go with our X7b 5G here. So first of all, let's start with the design and build quality. On the front side we got a huge 6.8-inch display with minimal bezels. The side and top bezels are same in terms of thickness. We got a bit of chin at the bottom, and at the top center of the display you will find the front facing camera within a punch hole. Right above it there is a speaker grill provided that also works as the secondary speaker for stereo speaker setup. At the top we got the microphone. At the bottom we got 3.5mm jack, primary microphone, USB Type-C port, speaker grill. On the right side we got the volume keys along with the power button, beneath which you will find the fingerprint sensor. And on the left side we got the SIM card tray slot that comes with 2 nano SIM card slot. It is not a hybrid SIM slot, so there is no option to accommodate the memory card on Honor X7b 5G. So this is something majority of the people are going to miss on Honor X7b 5G for sure. Officially, the screen does not come with any kind of hardened glass like Gorilla Glass, etc. Instead of that, it comes with a screen protector pre-applied on it, and it does not come with any kind of IP certification for waterproofing and dust resistance as well. On the back, we got the Honor branding, some regulatory information, and the back panel is very minimalistic as it comes with the nice matte finished back panel and a glossy finished camera island that looks quite beautiful and it is eye-catching for sure. The camera module bump is quite prominent, but if you use the provided case then you won't face the wobbling issue if you place the X7b 5G on a flat surface. The back as well as the frame is made of plastic, and because of that, even though with a huge display and massive 6000 mAh battery, the device weighs just 199 grams, so it is pretty lightweight and you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue. Talking about the display, the Honor X7b 5G comes with a 6.8-inch LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution and 16.7 million color reproduction. The PPI is quite nice and the colors are very well saturated, as you can see. Even if I bring the camera so close to the display, you won't see any pixelation on the screen of Honor X7b 5G here. It comes with 90Hz refresh rate display and you get the option to select either 60Hz or 90Hz fixed refresh rate, or you can go with dynamic as well. That will switch between the 60Hz and 90Hz by itself off depending on what kind of activity you are doing on your Honor X7b 5G. It also comes with smart resolution that once again adjusts the resolution of the display based on the activity you are doing to provide a nice battery life to your Honor X7b 5G. We also got an ebook mode. If you turn it on, then the whole display will turn into black and white in grayish color to give you a feel of reading the content on a real life book or an e-ink display. Since it is TUV Rhineland certified for low blue light emission, it also comes with circadian night display that automatically adjusts the color temperature based on the time of the day. And we also got the dynamic dimming that automatically adjusts the screen brightness based on the ambient light to avoid putting a strain to your eyes. The average peak brightness is 600 nits and the maximum peak brightness under the sunlight mode can go as high as 850 nits. So considering the price segment of the device, the brightness of X7b 5G display is quite nice and you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors, and the lowest possible brightness is just 2 nits, so you can even use it in low light situation without putting any strain to your eyes. Because of the 90Hz refresh rate, the display is quite smooth and you will enjoy playing compatible games or just browsing the device for sure. Talking about the hardware, it comes with MediaTek Dimensity 6020 processor, 8GB RAM with Honor RAM Turbo technology that increases the RAM up to 8GB more, so you will get virtually 16GB RAM on X7b 5G. It comes with 256GB storage, out of which nearly 237GB is user available, but if it is not sufficient for you, then that's going to be a problem because this device does not come with a memory card slot to expand the storage. We got a huge 6000 mAh battery with 35W fast charging. Talking about the software, the Honor X7b 5G comes with Android 13 along with Magic OS 7.2. As we have seen, the Magic OS is pretty feature rich. It comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity on Honor smartphones, and the same goes with the Honor X7b 5G as well. As you can see, we got plenty of options that you can use to customize your user experience on this device as well as improve your productivity. Talking about the camera, we got an 8 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps, and on the back we got a 50 megapixel primary camera along with 2 megapixel depth sensor. So there is no ultra wide angle lens or macro lens provided this time on Honor X7b 5G. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with AI in the photo mode. We got flash filters. If you go to portrait mode, this is the combination of the beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the dedicated night mode. We got the aperture mode as well. That is once again create nice bokeh effects in the images. If you go to the video mode, you can see that it comes with 2x toggle, but let me tell you that this zoom is totally digital whether on the photo mode or the video mode. We got the multi-video mode as well that records the video from the front camera and rear camera at the very same time, and you can even customize the frame based on your preference. If you go to more, here you can see that X7b 5G comes with a pro mode. We got slow motion, panorama, HDR photo, time lapse, watermark, high res story, scan document as well. So in terms of features and options, we got plenty of options here on Honor X7b 5G. We will see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our future videos. But right now, I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of the camera application as well as the settings and options we got here on Honor X7b 5G camera. If you go to the settings, here you can see that the Honor X7b 5G can record only up to 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps max. So there is no 60 fps recording or 4K video recording available on Honor X7b 5G. So at the first glance, the Honor X7b 5G is looking a very nice smartphone in its price segment, as it comes with some nice unique features, hardware specs, huge battery life, nice eye-catching, beautiful design, and a beautiful display as well. But as I mentioned earlier, it comes with plenty of upgrades and downgrades compared to the 4G version of Honor X7b, and I will make a comparison video very soon. Many other videos of Honor X7b 5G like the gaming review, benchmarking test score results, comparison with other smartphones, especially the Honor X7b 4G, will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.